Hard work, commitment. Hard work and commitment. Guys, if it was easy, everybody would do it. If it was easy, everybody would do it. If everybody was supposed to be a millionaire, they'll be a millionaire because it would have been easy. It's not easy. Nothing is easy. Anything that comes easily to you is easily gone. Let me tell you something. There's a thing behind sweat. Some people call it sweat equity, right? Sweat equity. What are your sweat? What is that you're putting your grind into right now? What are you fighting towards right now? Have you put in the grind yet? Have you overcome some obstacles? You're so focused on trying to be a winner. But you don't realize that winning is the result of overcoming failure. You see, you got to fail many times in order to win. Winning is just a result that you didn't quit. You didn't give up. You didn't complain. You found solutions. You found the reason. You know your why. Is your why bigger than your fear? Think about that.